Hello and welcome to the second module, where you will be introduced to search engine optimization, also known as SEO. You'll learn about SEO and its relevance to your business trafficking rate, a special step-by-step on how to optimize your business online using SEO, and finally, SEO's potential in your business future. Have you ever wondered about the Google search results provided for you? What makes certain results appear before any other search results? In fact, thousands of us are scrolling through that first page of Google search results. Most of us won't bother clicking the very next page of that result. That would be the search engine optimization, also known as SEO. Let's illustrate an example. So you just put your business online. You thought all you needed to do was to create a website and you're done, right? Over time, you realize no one visited your page, and most probably it's because they couldn't find your website. In the end, you want to hire someone who could help you generate visitors, or in this case, web traffic to your website. These people are called SEO agents. SEO involves the process of generating organic traffic of your search engines. Organic or natural results are unpaid search results based on the relevance or hit of your search. These results are determined by Google's search algorithm to detect the site most optimized to their criteria and your search. Sometimes you can even see snippets, as Google calls it, from an optimized site. Say, for example, you look up in Google browser on how to publish your own book or simply publish your book. You'll see up to 10 search results from the first page. As you can see, the first 4 results have ad labeled beside their link. These are paid traffic ads or simply non-organic results. Further down, as mentioned before, you may even see snippets linked to a site. According to Google, snippets are programmed to extract a portion of what users would see on your site. This featured snippet helps boost the user's attention to your site. This is what most online marketers are aiming for because it lasts longer than paid traffic ads. A recognized page by Google as a form of organic search results, and it's all thanks to SEO. Most online marketers and online business owners would love to see their products or services to be in the very first page of Google's search result, or even better, the featured snippets. Who doesn't? That would mean your page is successfully optimized to grab Google's attention and put them on top of their search list. The clicks you received from users are all that matters. Their clicks are your traffic. Research shows that 70% of Google users would not even click the second page of their search results. If they can't find it in the first page, they would retype their search using different relevant keywords. Thus, the cycle continues.